If you've ever wondered how to maintain a healthy digestive system and improve your overall health, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential tips, from staying hydrated to managing stress, to help you achieve a smoothly functioning gut. Whether you're seeking relief from digestive discomfort or simply want to enhance your well-being, our expert advice has got you covered. So, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is fundamental to maintaining a healthy digestive system. Water is the universal solvent that aids in various bodily processes, including digestion. When you drink enough water, it acts as a lubricant, making it easier for food to move through your digestive tract. Dehydration can lead to constipation and an inefficient digestive process, which can result in discomfort and health issues. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces, of water a day to ensure you stay hydrated. However, individual needs vary, so listen to your body's signals. On hot days or during physical activity, you may need more water. By staying hydrated, you help your digestive system function smoothly, supporting overall well-being. Number 2. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber is the digestive system's best friend. It plays a crucial role in digestion and ensures regular bowel movements. Fiber comes in 2 main types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oatmeal and beans, dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance, which slows digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and vegetables, adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. By incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet, you provide the necessary roughage that your digestive system needs to function efficiently. These foods not only aid digestion but also promote a feeling of fullness and can help manage weight. A diet high in fiber is a cornerstone of digestive health. Number 3. Probiotic foods. Probiotic-rich foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, supporting a balanced digestive system. These live microorganisms, often found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion and can also boost your immune system. Probiotics work by promoting the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even enhance nutrient absorption. To reap the benefits, incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your daily diet. Or consider taking probiotic supplements, especially after a course of antibiotics, or if you have digestive issues. Number 4. Chew your food thoroughly. The digestive process doesn't begin in the stomach. It starts in your mouth. Chewing your food thoroughly is essential for proper digestion. When you chew, you break down food into smaller, more digestible pieces and mix it with saliva, which contains enzymes that begin the breakdown of carbohydrates. This not only eases the work for your stomach and intestines, but also helps ensure that you absorb the maximum nutrients from your food. Rushing through meals and inadequate chewing can lead to indigestion, bloating, and discomfort. Therefore, take your time to savor each bite and make sure to chew your food well. This simple habit can make a significant difference in your digestive comfort and overall health. Number 5. Manage stress. Stress and digestion are closely connected. When stressed, your body enters fight or flight mode, diverting resources away from digestion. This can lead to issues like indigestion, heartburn, or altered bowel movements. Chronic stress can even disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion and overall health. To support your digestive system, it's essential to manage stress. Engage in stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even a leisurely walk. These practices can help you relax and maintain a healthy gut-brain connection, ultimately contributing to a smoothly functioning digestive system. Number 6. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods, often loaded with artificial ingredients, preservatives, and unhealthy fats, can wreak havoc on your digestive system. These foods are typically low in fiber and may be challenging for your body to process, leading to digestive discomfort, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Reducing your intake of processed foods and focusing on whole, natural foods is an excellent way to support your digestive health. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats instead. This dietary shift can help improve your digestion and provide a wide range of nutrients for overall health. Number 7. Regular exercise. Physical activity is essential not only for your heart and muscles, but also for your digestive system. Exercise stimulates the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, promoting the regular movement of food and waste through the digestive process. This movement helps prevent issues like constipation and supports healthy digestion. Regular exercise also has the added benefit of aiding in weight management, which can be crucial for digestive health. When you maintain a healthy weight, you reduce the risk of conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, and other digestive disorders. Therefore, make exercise a part of your routine to keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. Number 8. Avoid overeating. Overeating can put undue stress on your digestive system. When you consume large quantities of food in one sitting, your stomach has to work overtime to process it all. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, and discomfort. To promote efficient digestion, pay attention to portion sizes and practice mindful eating. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and stop when you feel comfortably full. By being aware of your body's signals, you can avoid overeating and help your digestive system operate optimally. Number 9. Stay away from smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are detrimental to your digestive system. Smoking can lead to conditions such as acid reflux and stomach ulcers, while excessive alcohol can damage the lining of the stomach and intestines, leading to gastritis and other issues. If you're a smoker, consider quitting to protect your digestive health. If you consume alcohol, do so in moderation, and be mindful of its effects on your stomach and overall well-being. Reducing or eliminating these habits can significantly improve your digestive system and reduce the risk of related health problems. Number 10. Listen to your body. Every individual's digestive system is unique, so it's vital to listen to your body's signals. Pay attention to how different foods affect you and make adjustments accordingly. If certain foods cause discomfort, consider eliminating or reducing them from your diet. Conversely, if you notice that specific foods promote healthy digestion, incorporate them more often. Additionally, keeping a food diary can be a helpful tool. It allows you to track what you eat and how it impacts your digestive health. This insight can guide you in making informed dietary choices that support your individual needs and maintain a healthy digestive system. Conclusion: a healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, and by following these 10 tips, you can significantly improve your digestive health. Staying hydrated, eating fiber-rich foods, embracing probiotics, chewing your food thoroughly, managing stress, limiting processed foods, regular exercise, avoiding overeating, minimizing smoking and excessive alcohol, and listening to your body are all key elements of a healthy gut. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can lead to a smoother, more efficient digestive system, reducing the risk of discomfort and various digestive issues. Remember that taking care of your digestive health is a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to boost your digestive health. We hope you found these tips valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Your well-being is important, and taking care of your digestive system is a proactive step towards a healthier, happier life. Stay